Kamusta ka? Kaya pa ba? Huwag mong isipin na hanggang dyan ka na lang. God is able to turn impossible into possible. Yung akala mong katapusan na, it's actually the beginning of the amazing opportunities for you. Know your purpose para maging blessing ka sa madaming tao. I can because I have faith to God. I can because I believe in myself. Kaya ko, makakaya mo rin. My victory is all for His glory. This is Agnes Paniculay, an agent of hope, and I am worldwide.